Hello and welcome Internet. In this video, I'll show you on how to set a Formula 1 Live wallpaper on your Windows computer. Step 1. Open your web browser and search for Lively Wallpaper in the Microsoft Store, or visit livelywallpaper.app. This free software lets you use videos and animations as live wallpapers. Step 2. Download and install Lively Wallpaper. Once the installation is complete, open the program. Step 3. To find an F1 Live Wallpaper video online. You can also check the video description and download it directly from the Google Drive link provided. Step 4. In Lively Wallpaper, click the plus icon, then browse and add the F1 wallpaper file you downloaded. Step 6. Right-click the Lively Wallpaper icon in the taskbar to adjust settings like scaling, playback speed, and performance for the best experience. Step 5. Select it, and it will instantly start playing as your desktop background. And that's it. You now have an exciting Formula 1 Live wallpaper running on your Windows desktop, bringing the thrill of F1 racing right to your screen. Whether you're a die-hard Formula 1 fan or just love high-speed visuals, this wallpaper will keep your desktop looking fresh and energetic. If you enjoyed this tutorial, give it a thumbs up, and share it with your fellow F1 fans. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more live wallpapers, car-themed content, and step-by-step tech guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.